If you want to blur a video background in CapCut, this is the easiest way to do it without making the whole clip look messy or over-edited. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method that works whether you're editing on desktop or following along with a similar CapCut layout. We're going to duplicate the clip, remove the subject from the top layer, and apply blur to the layer underneath so your background looks smooth and professional. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials. First, bring your video clip onto the main timeline. Once it's there, click the clip to select it, then copy and paste it so you now have two identical clips stacked on top of each other. On Windows, you can use Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V. On Mac, use Command+C and Command+V. After that, drag the duplicated clip to the track directly above the original clip. The most important part here is making sure both clips start at the exact same point. If they are even slightly off, the blur effect won't line up properly and the final result will look out of sync. Now click the top video layer to select it. This is the layer where your subject will stay visible while the background gets separated. On the upper right side of your screen, look for the settings panel. From there, open the video tab and then go to the remove BG section. If you're using the auto option, choose auto cutout. If you're on the free version and that option isn't available, use custom removal instead. The goal here is to isolate the person or subject from the background so the top layer stays clean and clear. If CapCut gives you a brush tool, use it to mark the areas you want to keep unblurred. Take your time with this step, especially around the edges of hair, shoulders, and hands. A clean cutout makes a huge difference in the final result. The better the subject separation, the more natural your blurred background will look. If you rush this part, you may see rough edges or parts of the background leaking through. Once the top layer is ready, we can blur the background on the bottom clip. Go to the Effects tab in the top left corner of the interface. Then open Video Effects and use the search bar to type blur. You'll see several options, but for the best results, choose the standard blur effect without a pro label. You do not need anything fancy here. A simple generic blur effect usually looks the most natural and works great for this style of edit. Drag the blur effect onto the bottom video layer, not the top one. This is what creates the blurred background behind your subject. After you apply it, click the blur effect on the timeline or select the bottom clip if needed and open its settings on the right side of the screen. You should now see a blur strength slider. A good starting range is usually around 25 to 45, depending on how strong you want the background blur to be. If you want a soft cinematic look, keep it lower. If you want the background to disappear more dramatically, increase it a little more. As you adjust the blur, keep an eye on the subject on the top layer. The best result is usually a clean subject with a smooth background that still feels realistic. Don't push the blur too high unless you want a very stylized effect. In most cases, a medium blur looks more professional and keeps the video easy to watch. You can also preview the clip and fine-tune the strength until it matches the style you want. If the subject appears cut off or the blur looks uneven, go back and check that both clips are perfectly aligned. Also, make sure the removal mask is covering the subject correctly on the top layer. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Once everything looks right, you can continue editing by adding text, music, transitions, or color correction to make the video feel even more polished. So that's how to blur a video background in CapCut using a simple layered edit. Duplicate the clip, remove the background on the top track, apply blur to the bottom track, and then adjust the strength until it looks natural. This is a great technique for talking head videos, product clips, tutorials, and short-form content where you want the subject to stand out. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.